these are my custom ringtones.
Swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. Bitch, hold on.
And then this one. Do it, you have to go get this. You have to get ringtone maker. You can go to YouTube, and then you can like search up sounds, like any sound. Like I'm gonna do this one. Then once you get it,
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
You've likely
what was it? And then
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma.
You save it. Then you go to ringtone maker. Go to click the one that shows like all those numbers. Go there. Go make. Go to GarageBand. You have to download it. Then go here. Share ringtone. My song 4. You can change it. Like I'm gonna make this random, and then I don't know why it did not just work. Hold up. Yeah, it says exporting standard ringtone. Once it does that, go here. Then go to sound and haptics, ringtone, primary, then
Swerve in that corner, whoa. Swerve in that.
you have that's all.
Pedindo pix pros cara que é bigode.